Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. Have you ever thought that tidying up could magically affect your life? I never thought it could have such profound results. Further augmentation with simple improved habits and discipline can do wonders. And that was the mindset when we started Simplify Your Space to improve our personal lives. In January this year, I made a video about my annual cleaning and maintenance routine where I mentioned that I made a goal of reading at least 10 books this year. I started with The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo. In today's video, I will share 12 lessons that I have learned from this book about organizing and tidying up. I've compiled a few very important lessons which I personally liked and made this video. If you get time, do read this book, as it is full of great learnings. Let's get started. When starting the process of tidying the home, it is important to declutter first so that you get rid of the items not required anymore, which means more space. When decluttering, hold each item and ask yourself whether or not it sparks joy. If it does, keep it. If not, discard it. Always move from easy to hard items when considering what to keep. If decluttering and organizing the entire house, Marie Kondo recommends to declutter in the following order: clothes, books, papers, komono, that is miscellaneous, and finally end with mementos, things with sentimental value. Following the order will make cleaning and organizing a smooth process since you work through the easy things first. This will help you improve your decision-making skills gradually so that when you reach the hard stuff, it will be simpler and less stressful. In Indian homes, discard usually means taking off only from primary intended job but getting recycled for another role. Clothes that don't fit elder ones always given to younger ones and also get utilized as cleaning cloth during their life cycle. Make sure you have a home or place for everything. Designate space for each item you own, like closet, drawer, anything. When you assign a place for anything, that is where you will return it every time. Having a designated space for everything automatically makes your home tidy and organized. Labeling helps to remember where everything needs to be. When you start decluttering and tidying up the process, always declutter only one type of item at a time and not by location in your home. For instance, declutter and organize all your books at one time. Bring all the books at one place and then do the decluttering process. Marie Kondo says that tidying room by room is a mistake. If you want to tidy clothes, bring all your clothes at one place, otherwise you will be tidying up forever. Vertical folding is the key to having a sustainable, organized closet. When clothes are stacked on top of another, it becomes difficult to access the clothes kept at the bottom without lifting and shifting the piles. Best alternative is to keep your clothing items standing up as much as possible. The key is to fold each item compactly into a smooth rectangle. To keep your clothes standing, Marie Kondo recommends to use shoe boxes which will act as dividers. Although I personally don't prefer to use cardboard boxes, as moisture present in the closet sometimes can increase the chances of boxes getting affected with fungus and pest. Instead, you can use phone or iPad boxes which are laminated and are great to organize small drawers with socks, undergarments and accessories. This ensures clear visibility of items in one go. You may use these dividers made of cloth as well. This helps to stay tidy and save time when you are in a hurry. Alternatively, you can use thick paper bags which work great as drawer dividers to keep clothes vertically. Not only clothes but many other things like papers, files and folders, books, groceries, linen, etc. in the house should be stored vertically for space and efficiency. Marie Kondo suggests to keep everything standing up. That helps to visualize, access and put things away with ease. It also allows us to have a clear view of how much we own so that we can plan our purchases accordingly. Vertical storage creates a more aesthetically pleasing space while also making things easier to find. Whenever we remove items which are no longer needed, we transfer them to our siblings and cousins without even asking them whether they need these items or not. We just assume that they would definitely need them and appreciate. But that's a mistake. Marie Kondo says, don't transfer your guilt. Maybe your sister or cousin has different needs and styling sense. Always ask before handing over your decluttered piles. We all keep getting gifts on different occasions. Some we love and cherish, but some gifts we don't use just because they don't match our style or don't fit anywhere in our house. We just dump them in the storage, which eats up our precious space. Marie Kondo suggests that gifts we don't like but are still usable can be passed on to someone who needs them or simply discarded if they are of no use to anyone. Don't waste your space hoarding gifts which are of no use. When sorting papers and documents, keep things simple and easily accessible. Don't make organizing too complicated. Instead of using a folder to keep warranties and manuals individually, keep them together in a box or zipper pouch. How many of us actually open this folder and check the warranties frequently? Not much, right? We access this folder only when any appliance breaks down and is still in warranty, which happens rarely. So finding the document from one single box would not take much time. Have space for your accessories in your closet and keep them at the same place safely every time you come back home, like watches, wallets, sunglasses, coins, etc. It is helpful especially if you have a habit of changing bags. It is quite likely to leave something inside when you plan to change your bag, like crumbled receipts, used tissues, used chewing gum, etc., which can mix up with some of your important items. Always empty the bag before storing in the closet and keep all your items and wallets at the same place. This will help pack your bag quickly and prevent morning hurdles of shifting the bags. Hang heavy, long and dark color items at the left like coats, jackets, shrugs, skirts, etc. And as you move towards right, the length of the clothes becomes shorter, material thinner and color lighter like t-shirts, tops, etc. Lines that slope up to the right make most of us feel more comfortable. Marie Kondo suggests to always appreciate your belongings. Treat them with respect. Try to say thank you once in a while, which is a Japanese custom, to the items which help you every day. Like when you come back home, while removing your accessories, say thank you for making me beautiful. Or while changing clothes, say thank you for keeping me warm. It is a great gesture for being thankful for whatever you have. Always store your items nicely with care. If you take care of your belongings, they will take care of you and will last longer. And these were the 12 lessons that I have learned from the book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. Most of the things mentioned in the book I was already following, but I've learned some new things as well. Personally, when it comes to organizing and tidying up, I feel balance is the key. Not too much stuff, but not too little either.
I just want my home to always be easy to manage and clean. Your personal taste and convenience to tidy up must flavor your life and home.
Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next Saturday. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.